Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. The exam dates for CBI APP exam had been announced and the exam is on the 11th of January. Along with it, there will be 4 other vacancies whose exam will be held in a combined recruitment test to be held on the 11th of January. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important topics from your syllabus, which is the Constitution of India. We will analyze what has been the trend of the questions being asked in the last 3 recruitment cycles done for CBI APP position and how that can help you prepare for this particular topic for the current cycle. So let's move ahead and understand this in detail. The exam pattern consists of an MCQ based exam, an objective paper that will be for 2 hours and a total marks of 300. Given the past trend, these 300 marks will be divided in a total of over 120 objective questions of 2.5 marks each. For an incorrect answer, there is a penalty of 1/3 mark. Please note the exam will happen only in the English language. Right, so this is about your exam pattern and how do you now go ahead and prepare for this particular exam based on the syllabus. The combined recruitment exam will happen for 5 posts as I stated. In addition to the Assistant Public Prosecutor CBI, the Public Prosecutor vacancies in CBI, the Company Prosecutor vacancies in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and the Assistant Director Corporate Law and Serious Fraud Investigation Office, and the Assistant Legal Advisor in Directorate of Enforcement, Ministry of Finance, will be held together as a combined recruitment test on the 11th of January in the forenoon. So if you are targeting or had applied for any of these 5 vacancies or a combination of them, you will have to give only a combined recruitment test. Why? The interview, of course, will happen separately for each of the vacancies based on the merit cutoffs for each of these vacancies separately. But the test will be common, so it becomes easier for you to prepare. iExamB offers courses for the preparation of CBI APP and the Company Prosecutor. As I stated, as the exam is combined, if you are preparing for any of these 5 vacancies, you can avail this course that consists of short, crisp videos for your conceptual clarity of the syllabus topics, more than 200 plus study notes, plus 5,000 plus questions to practice both in the online exam mode and through the MCQ booklets. 10 full-length practice tests that is of the exam pattern, and we also hold certain live doubt classes for further two-way interaction with the faculty. This course is available in our Black Friday sale at a flat 61% off. So you can go and check out the demo, and if you are interested, you could take benefit of this offer. Let's move ahead and understand the syllabus. The syllabus released for 2025 has been shortened to a large extent and is focusing on only 12 laws. This include the Constitution of India, the 3 new criminal laws, BNS, BSA and the BNSS, the Information and Technology Act, the Prevention of Corruption Act, your Companies Act, Central Vigilance Commission Act, Prevention of Money Laundering, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, the Environment Protection Act and the Competition Act. As I stated, this is a much reduced syllabus as compared to 2023, where the syllabus consisted of additional laws including your civil laws, your banking laws also were included, and your contract laws. So in addition to what is there 2025, there were a lot many acts that you had to cover, which has become easier again this year. Let's have a look at how the questions have been asked in the past. CBI APP recruitment was previously done in 2016, then 2021, then in 2023, and now in 2025 we have the vacancies come out. If you will see, the focus on these acts had been more in the past, also in 16 and 21, with the criminal laws and the Constitution and the Prevention of Corruption and the PMLA acts having the most importance in the past. In 2003, the syllabus was expanded. Despite that, the highest number of questions you could see come from the Constitution. So yes, Constitution constitution is one of the most important topics, followed by the 3 criminal laws, which are now replaced by the new criminal laws. So this is going to be important this year also. So let's have a look of what were these questions and how was the pattern of the questions. The 12 questions asked in 2023, if I divide them over the various subparts of the constitution, you will see there was a one question on the fundamental duties, that is part 4a. This was a direct question based on the article number. There were two questions from the preamble and the part 3 talking about the fundamental right and the right to freedom and right to religion. There was questions on article 19 and article 25 and 28, which was statement based questions. You had to identify the correct statement from the given options. There were 3 questions, the highest number of questions that were asked from part 5, the union. Here the questions were covered from article 100, article 131, 131a and article 122. These were also statement based questions where you had to identify either the correct or the incorrect statement. 2 questions came from part 6, the states. Again, these were statement based questions covering article 163 and 164 and 217. One question from part 8 on union territories, again a statement based question. Another 2 questions we could see from part 14, and these were again statement based questions, and there was one question from part 14a on tribunals, which was a direct question on the article number. So if you will see, this is what you notice, and we've seen similar kind of pattern before also. The difficulty level of the questions ranges from moderate to high. The weightage of the questions is mostly on the statement based questions where good conceptual clarity is being tested, right? So if you have to identify a correct or an incorrect option, good understanding of all the points is very, very important. For this, a good and deep understanding through the bare acts and the provisions therein is very, very important for you to cover the constitution. There are also direct questions that come where you are asked the article numbers and their respective titles. So be very, very thorough with which article, which part of the constitution is covering which topic or which title. Majority of the questions have been seen from part 5, the union, more specifically from the parliament and its working. So this is very, very critical topic. You need to focus a lot on this topic and be thorough with each aspect of this particular part. There are some questions on the case laws also, which we have seen previously, not in 2023, but if you will notice here, there were questions on case laws which we had seen in a higher number in 2016, but they have reduced over 2021 and 23. But you will have to continue to prepare on the case laws also. At iExamB, we accordingly include all these aspects, and constitution coverage is done through our pedagogy, which consists of pre-recorded videos where each of the topics, important aspects of the constitution are covered through short, crisp videos. You are also given notes to revise them and test your understanding at the chapter level. In addition to that, we also hold live classes, and we have done 8 lectures which along with the class PPTs are provided to you to help you further understand and see how the Bare Act has stated various aspects of the constitution. Lastly, we will also be doing 3 further revision classes on the constitution, which will be MCQ based Q&A revision type of classes. These will be held in the coming week on the 1st, 3rd and 5th December respectively to further help strengthen this topic for your preparation. Additionally, in the course, we also provide MCQ booklets for all the various important laws. For example, you can see BNSS, BNS, Environment Protection, Constitution. The Constitution currently has around 400 MCQs for you to practice. We are also working to provide you additional 100 questions which are statement based to match the CBI pattern of the exam. In addition to these, you also get 10 full-length practice test, which will be covering the entire syllabus, not just constitution, the entire syllabus as per the exam format. This will help you prepare holistically for your exam. In case you have any other doubts, you can download our app or visit our website or call us at 920-552-4028. Wishing you all the best.